Alright guys, so I am excited, really excited to do this video. Why? Because I know it's gonna help somebody out there, and that somebody could be you. Alright, so I'm reaching you live from the Cocoa Hands Resource Center, and yeah, you know, people think we are kind of virtual people. We are not real. Of course, you can see that I am a real person, and I'm reaching you straight from the Cocoa Hands Resource Center here on campus. Listen, we've got the solution that you're looking for, 100% done, from abstract to references, everything done, complete, and you can get it right now. And all the information that you need to get it right now is on this page. So just check this page, scroll down, you will see you know, the instructions, the payments, the options, or you can decide to go for the custom made copy or the ready-made copy. Whichever one is okay by you. You will always have 100% high quality solution. As far as it is done by the Cocoa Hands team, you are assured of 100% and a very good score. Okay, so go ahead, follow the instructions on the page right now, get in touch. You can, you know, decide to pay with bank transfer, or with your PO, or with your ATM card, or to come to the office here and make your payment. Whichever method is okay by you, it's fine. Go ahead, make your choice and reach out. You can click the button on the page to, you know, to get in touch via WhatsApp, or you can, you know, copy the number on the page and call or send an SMS, and we will respond as soon as you make that move. So go ahead, friends, take action right now, get in touch and get this solution so that you can start writing. Don't waste time waste for no one. Exam is by the corner, and we decided to set up this service to help you guys out. So you should, you know, take up this opportunity. Don't allow it to slide. Go ahead, take action, follow the instructions on the page right now, and get the work done.